Submitted to no other reign. I will bow at no other throne, and rest my heart at no other home. Let these hands at no other ground. Let these knees fall on no other ground. Draw these eyes from the gold that won't shine. You turn this life from water to wine. And I tremble, I tremble, Lord, in your presence, in your presence. You take my breath with every starry night. Show your power in downtown city life. You are taller than the highest of the hills, and stronger than the walls we tried to build. You blind me with the beauty of your face, and draw me close with your divine embrace. Speak to me with healing in your words, and fix the things I didn't know I hurt. Lord, I tremble, I tremble. My Lord, to you alone be praised. Oh, who could take the place?